Hey friends, hi. Welcome to our channel Gulf Jobs Station where we bring requirements from the Gulf region. Today we have latest Gulf jobs, lots of requirement, lots of opportunities for the land of sand. Let's move on to the details of the requirement which we have today for you. Company name is Trojan General Contracting. They are hiring for following positions. Kindly send your CV at this email ID which is right in front of you. Requirement at the rate of Trojan.ae. So senior planning engineer. That's the first position. Education qualification is bachelor's degree in civil engineering. Work experience 15 to 20 years of Gulf experience in building construction. Especially they have mentioned. Planning engineer, education qualification, bachelor degree in civil engineering. Work experience minimum 10 to 14 years, Gulf that too. So very specific Gulf experience is required in building construction. Another requirement is from ICOM job. ICOM, the company is this company is at Doha, Qatar. So the position announced is assistant administration officer, Doha, Qatar. Speaking Arabic is requirement for this position. So engineer, quality assurance, quality control, that is also there, Doha, Qatar. Apart from this, they have the senior quality surveyor requirement, Doha, Qatar. To remain the opportunity further, to explain the opportunity further, we are looking for an experienced candidate to join us. ACOM RPD project for one of the larger projects that we are currently leading. This will be great opportunity for someone who is looking for the exposure to large giga scale programs with high profile clients. We are specifically looking for candidates that have demonstrable record of delivering a high deadline, tight deadline, high profile projects, and who love the challenges. So if you are one of them, this requirement is for you. Sheikh.zabiullah@i.com. This is the email ID which you need to use to send the CV. ICOM is the company, Doha, Qatar based. If you have any of these skills or any of the position matching to your profile and you're looking for change, do apply, go for it. And third company's requirement which we have is from AI Sharif Group Holding, ASG. So below are the open positions. PMS role for KFG location. Senior projects coordinator, project control specialist, feed and technical leader, contract specialist, senior planner, senior cost budget controller, lead process engineer, lead structural engineer, lead pipeline engineer. Key points or notes they have mentioned here. Aramco experience will be an addition. Kuwait petroleum experience, feed experience, detail engineering experience, minimum 10 years of experience required. Interested candidates covering above key points can send their CV profile biodata at this email ID which is p.dhawan@penspan.com. Do not make the spelling mistakes, write it down properly. Send your documents to this email ID if you are willing for change and matching all these notes and profile. The next requirement is from Infracare Facilities Management. Communication is basic in basic English and Hindi is required, knowledge of machinery and tools, capacity to allocate the resources, and when required, applicants are required to hold a valid UAE driver's license. For more information about this job opportunity, please email at this email ID if you are willing to know more about the position. The position is area supervisor, and the email ID which you need to use to get the information and application delivered to the employer is careers@infracare.ae. A requirement for Al Musa Aluminium Industries Limited LLC, estimator QS, one requirement, minimum 4 years of UAE experience. So estimator or quantity surveyor, one requirement, 4 years of experience, minimum UAE experience. Job details are mentioned here. Prepare complete quotation according to the client customer standard requirement. Check and receive the document necessary for generating final complete quotation. Coordinate with clients, customers about any issue related to the their inquiries, sending inquiries to the suppliers for price updates, for material needed to do the costing and budgeting, formulate and calculate the price of all required terms, follow up with client customer about the updates and status of the quotation offer submitted. Do send your CV if you are similar profile looking for job. Email ID is hr.admin@almusha, which is Ali Musa.ae. So hr.admin@alimusa.ae. Do not make the spelling mistakes. Wish you good luck. Next requirement is from Aramco. Hiring for our client Saudi Aramco. Career counselor, education specialist, career counselor, education specialist with psychology degree, English teacher native, and math teacher. So all these requirements they have. And also they have electrical engineer requirement, mechanical engineer requirement, metals, and PCST, safety advisor, male, female. Updated CV can be shared at this email ID, which is smp.recruit@abyss.com.sa, smp.recruit@abyss.com.sa. Please do not make the spelling mistake. Write it down as it is. Zazal Engineering Contracting LLC. This is another company which we have requirement for to announce. Planning engineer. We are hiring planning engineer with 2 to 3 years of GCC experience. Candidates should be BTech equivalent degree holders in civil engineering, minimum 2 to 3 years of GCC experience, especially in building construction industry. Sound knowledge about Primavera is must. Salary 5k approximately. This is an urgent position, and candidate must be ready to join immediately. Candidates who are not meeting the above criteria, please excuse. And if you are meeting the criteria, looking for change, do apply. Email ID is careers@jadalek.com. Do not make the spelling mistakes. Write down as it is. Company Miramar Al Aqah Beach Resort. All these openings which you can see: assistant executive, housekeeping, public area attendant, minibar attendant, outlet supervisor, waiter, waitress, hostess, chef de party, hygiene officer, chef de party, cafeteria supervisor, accommodation supervisor, housekeeping supervisor, training manager, bartender. And 1 to 2 years of experience is required. Location is UAE, Fujairah. And interested applicant can send the CV at this email ID, which is jennifer.jacob at the rate Miramar alaka.ae. So write it very clearly. Do not make the spelling mistakes. Jennifer.jacob at the rate Miramar alaka.ae. Thank you very much for watching this video. If the information is useful and you are willing to get such information regularly, please do subscribe to the channel. And if you are looking for opportunities meeting any of these requirements, do apply ASAP, because these requirements are fresh, and you need to apply quickly. There will be thousands of people applying to these positions, so apply first and get first. Wish you good luck. See you soon with more such informative videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.